Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you my favorite 2 recipes of overnight oats. These are super simple, super delicious, vegan, and it's healthy as well. Let's get started. The first version of overnight oats, it's my favorite. It's banana and matcha tea combination. For this recipe we are going to need 50 grams of rolled oats, 3-4 grams of matcha tea, about 25 grams of honey, 125 ml of plant-based milk. Here I have the almond milk. So this recipe is super consistent and I like it because it's creamy, it's rich as well, and it has this amazing flavor from matcha. So in a mason jar, I'm going to put my oats and the matcha tea and give it a good stir. I'm adding the honey. You can add maple syrup if you'd like. Now I'm adding the almond milk and mix to combine everything well together and to dissolve the honey. As I said, if you want a vegan version, you can add the maple syrup or the agave syrup, it's entirely up to you. Make sure that you're mixing well to combine. Now I'm adding 1 banana. I'm just cutting it in cubes right into the jar. Again, mix well to combine. Put the lid on and it's ready to go overnight in the fridge. For the second version of overnight oats, I have a strawberry and cocoa. It's extremely rich in taste and in flavor as well. So the same procedure, I'm adding my oats, 50 grams of oats, about 15 grams of cocoa. This is raw cocoa, it's unsweetened. I'm adding 120 ml of almond milk. You can use any other plant-based milk. Okay, I'm adding the honey as well. As I said, you can replace it with agave syrup or with maple syrup. Mix it well to combine. Chop the strawberries and add them in the mixture and place it in the fridge overnight. So these are my oats the second day. They're very creamy. They kept their color. They're like thick in consistency as well, and the taste is amazing. So I just transfer them to other jar. You need to make sure that they are closed in the fridge overnight. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make them pretty now, and I'm just going to transfer them into some glasses, and I'm going to decorate both of them for a pretty breakfast. Because who doesn't want to start their day like super beautiful? This was my recipe of 2 versions of overnight oats. I really love them. It's banana and matcha tea and it's cocoa and strawberries, my favorite versions. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I love to answer them. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.